Think about the last time you spent 20 without a second thought. A coffee here, a quick lunch, maybe an impulse buy from Amazon? Now ask yourself this, did it matter? Probably not. But what if I told you that the same $20 a week could turn into a portfolio that pays you over $6,000 in monthly dividend income every single month for the rest of your life? Sounds impossible, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done using a real dividend strategy. You'll meet John, a regular investor just like you, and by the end of this video, you'll see how his $20 weekly habit turned into a $500,000 portfolio, one that pays him more than $76,000 a year in passive income. Let's take a step back. Dividends are simply profits that companies share with their investors. If you own 100 shares of a company that pays $1 per share in dividends, you get $100 just for holding the stock. You don't have to sell. You don't have to trade. You just get paid. It's one of the purest forms of passive income. There are two main ways to use dividends. You can take the cash or reinvest it using DRIP, short for Dividend Reinvestment Plans. DRIP is where the real magic happens. With DRIP, each dividend buys more shares, which then earn even more dividends. This cycle compounds over time and accelerates your wealth. Now, not all dividend stocks are created equal. Some are consistent growers, others are unstable. Here are the four things we look for. Dividend yield. How much income you're earning annually. Dividend growth rate. How fast the dividend increases. Company stability. Can they survive downturns? Industry diversification. Are you protected from one sector crashing? Based on those factors, here are 5 dividend stocks with a history of growth, income, and stability. 1. CubeSmart, ticker, CUBE. Yield, 4.89% dividend. Growth, 14.06%. Sector, real estate, REITs. Why it's here. Steady rental income from storage units, even in recessions. 2. SCHD, Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Yield, 3.53%. Growth rate, 11.04%. Sector, broad-based. Why it's here. Instant diversification across stable, high-dividend companies. 3. Kroger, ticker, KR. Yield, 2%. Growth, 13.58%. Grocery consumer staples. Why it's here. Recession-proof. People always need groceries. 4. Lowe's, ticker low. Yield, 1.87%. Growth rate, 17.99%. Sector, retail home improvement. Why it's here. Explosive dividend growth and solid price appreciation. 5. NetEase, ticker, NTES. Yield, 2.57%. Growth rate, 17.29%. Sector, tech/gaming. Why it's here. A mix of tech growth with dividend income. When you average these 5 stocks, here's what you get. Dividend yield, 2.97% dividend. Growth rate, 14.79%. Share price. Growth, 9.48%. This combo gives you both growth and cash flow, the twin engines of wealth. John invests $20 a week or $1,040 a year. After 10 years, he's built a $19,697 portfolio. After 20 years, it's $182,000, but at year 30, things go crazy. That $20 a week has compounded into a portfolio worth $675,642, and John's monthly dividend income, over $6,300. That's nearly $76,000 a year in passive income forever. It all started with just $20, no lottery ticket, no risky stock picks, no overnight schemes, just a system built on consistency, discipline, and time. The truth is, you don't need to be rich to build wealth. You need patience and a plan. Ready to start your journey? Here's your 3-step plan. Open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab automate your weekly $20 deposit. Buy the 5 dividend stocks we just showed you then. Forget about it. Let time and DRIP do the rest. If you're in the U.S., put these in a Roth IRA. Your dividends will grow tax-free, and when you retire, you can pull them out tax-free too. So now you know. $20 a week. Just $285 a day. That's your ticket to financial independence. If John can do it, so can you. Was this helpful? Smash that like button to support the channel, and subscribe if you want more smart investing strategies to build passive income. Click the video on screen now to discover how to earn over $20,000 in monthly dividends using the same investment strategy.